Do you want to fly around like Spider-Man? Well, now you can with the new and amazing carbon nanotube technology. Carbon nanotubing creates a lightweight material that has many uses. But, according to Aaron Koda and Karen Winey in their article in Access Science, it is still perplexing some scientists with some of its properties. We need to give more funding towards this because it is the future of science and medicine. Now, for all you science geeks out there wondering, let's hear about the structure of these carbon nanotubes. Well, because you asked, there are three basic structures of carbon nanotubes that are naturally found. The first two ways, known as armchair and zigzag, are very symmetrical and uncommon. The third structure is known as chiral, the most common of all forms, and is not symmetrical like the other two forms. According to Peter Harris in his article in Access Science, the interest into carbon nanotubes was sparked with the synthesis of C60 or Buckminster fullerene. Now that I have piqued all of your interest with that really long word I said before, if you want me to say it again, Buckminster fullerene, yes, that is 20 characters long. But enough with that. How will this interest you? According to Eliza Strickland in the Discover magazine, there are many real-life applications for carbon nanotubes. One of the many uses includes replacing the expensive fuel cells in hydrogen cars with carbon nanotubes doped with nitrogen to form a more efficient and more compact catalyst. Another use for this beautiful tube of carbon is to create biosensors that can diagnose yeast infections. Scientists say with carbon nanotubes there will be a quicker diagnosis. Now, for all the time that you've been waiting for, Spider-Man. Yes, real-world Spider-Man could one day become a real thing thanks to the adhesive made from carbon nanotubes. The substance mimics the design of gecko feet, which is covered in millions of tiny hairs that each end has an abundance of spatula-shaped tips. So, if you want to climb buildings like Spider-Man, you know what to fund.